Hey guys, so today we will be making macaroni and cheese. And these are the cheeses that I will be using. Some mild cheddar cheese. We're going to put some sharp cheddar in it. Some Colby Jack. And you can't make macaroni and cheese without this. Yes, the process. Trust me. We're going to put some mozzarella cheese in it. And some white cheddar. Now let's get to shredding this cheese. So here are the cheeses that will go into the sauce. And guys, these Capitelli noodles, oh my gosh, they're the best in macaroni and cheese. No need to add oil to your noodles. You're just going to stir it for a little bit. 1 egg, some evaporated milk, some whole milk. Fill it to the rim, fill it to the rim. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, black pepper, some Buttery steakhouse seasonings. Pour in your custard. Some of your cheese. Give it a nice mix. Add in any other seasoning you would like. I'm adding in some paprika. Add in some chunks of that cheese that you saved on the side. And give it a good mix again. And now we're going to get it into our... Add half to your dish. With a little more cheese in the middle. And then you're just going to put the rest on top. Add some more cheese to the top. A little more paprika. Give it a wrap. And it's ready for the oven. Now we are going to uncover and let it cook. Let the top brown for about 20 more minutes.